Welcome to Introductory Biology. I'm Dr. Catherine Broadbent, and I'm going to be your instructor. The first thing you need to do is to take the syllabus quiz. That's what's going to open up the rest of the class. You'll find the syllabus here, and the syllabus quiz is here on the top. You can download the syllabus here, or you can read it here. In addition to the syllabus, this page also has instructor information. This tells how to reach me, and a getting started page that you need to look through. It tells about the syllabus quiz, it tells about COVID stuff, and some netiquette guidelines. Down here, you can find your grades, when we have grades, and the calendar. So when you're done with the, in addition, there's an orientation to Blackboard. If you are new to Blackboard, that may come in very handy, and Blackboard Help. College students are also offered free software, so you can get all the office software, Word, Excel, all that, and that's very much worth downloading. So when you're done with the syllabus, and you've passed the quiz, if you'll go to course content, and I'll meet